Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Now we are going to recite the poem from Unit 4, Life Around Us, Chapter 1, A Show of Clouds. So let's recite this poem.
As I lie on my bed, looking up at the sky. As I lie on my bed, looking up at the sky, I see a big white deer looking down at me, looking down at me. As I lie on my bed, looking up at the sky. As I lie on my bed, looking up at the sky, I see a ship sailing on a white sea. I see a ship sailing on a white sea. As I lie on my bed, looking up at the sky. As I lie on my bed, looking up at the sky, I see an elephant waving its tongue at me. As I lie on my bed, looking up at the sky. As I lie on my bed, looking up at the sky. Toys of fun is fun to me, to see whatever I want to see. Toys of fun is fun to me, to see whatever I want to see. I want to see, I want to see.
Sight words.
Sight words.
As, up, at, my, sky, back. New words. Lie, beer, sea, sailing, waving. Let us speak. A. Say aloud. 1. Sit outside your home or in an open space and watch the clouds go by. Next day, tell the class what you saw. 2. What are the colors of clouds? Tick the colors that clouds can be. White, blank, gray, blank, red, blank, green, blank, black, blank, blue, blank. Note to the teacher. Let the children speak. Encourage them to speak in English. Accept answers even if they respond in only one word or a phrase. Ask children to explain. For instance, if children say the cloud is red, they may be thinking of clouds at sunset. B. Answer the questions asked by the teacher. Teacher, when you look up in the sky, what do you see? Child 1. When I look up, I see blank. Teacher, when you look down at the ground, what do you see? Child 2. When I look down, I see blank. Teacher, when you close your eyes, what do you see? Child 3. When I close my eyes, I see blank. Note to the teacher. All answers are acceptable. Real or imaginary. Provide regular practice of the above sentence structures. Help children
Help children
answer in full sentences.
answer in full sentences.
Let us write.
Let us write.
A.
A.
Answer the following questions.
Answer the following questions.
1.
1.
In the poem,
In the poem,
what animals did the child see
what animals did the child see
as he looked up at the clouds?
as he looked up at the clouds?
The child could see
The child could see
blank.
blank.
2.
2.
What do you see in the sky
What do you see in the sky
during the day?
during the day?
Write any 3 things you see
Write any 3 things you see
blank.
blank.
3.
3.
What do you see in the sky
What do you see in the sky
at night
at night?
blank.
Blank.
Let us draw.
Let us draw.
Picture time.
Picture time.
A.
A.
Join the dots in alphabetical order
Join the dots in alphabetical order
and color the picture.
and color the picture.
Let us listen.
Let us listen.
A.
A.
Repeat after the teacher.
Repeat after the teacher.
The poem has the word back.
The poem has the word back.
Listen to your teacher
Listen to your teacher
and say the following words
and say the following words
with your teacher.
with your teacher.
Back,
Back.
pack,
Pack.
lack,
Lag.
jack,
Jack.
rack,
Rack.
pick,
Pick.
tick,
Tick.
flick,
Flick.
thick,
Thick.
pluck,
Plug.
duck,
Duck.
muck,
Mug.
truck.
Truck.
What sound is common
What sound is common
in these words?
in these words?
Note to the teacher.
Note to the teacher.
Let the children
Let the children
repeat the above words
repeat the above words
one by
one by one,
noticing the k sound.
noticing the k sound.
The children need not know
The children did not know
the meaning of these words.
the meaning of these words.